Did you know that nearly 60% of people struggle to make healthy dinners during busy weekdays? If you're tired of ordering takeout or sacrificing nutrition for convenience, you're not alone. In this video, we'll share quick and delicious 30-minute meal recipes that you can whip up without the stress. Hi everyone, I'm here, a passionate home cook and nutrition enthusiast. With 5 years of experience in meal prep and healthy eating, I know how hectic life can get. I've faced the same challenges, juggling work, family, and health, but I found simple solutions to create quick and nutritious meals. Today, I'm excited to share these with you. In this video, we'll explore 3 amazing recipes that can each be made in 30 minutes or less. We'll go through ingredient lists, cooking techniques, and tips to make your meal prep efficient and enjoyable. By the end, you'll not only have delicious meal ideas but also the confidence to prepare them yourself. Let's talk about the issue many face, the struggle to prepare healthy meals when time is tight. With long work hours, family commitments, and social obligations, many people resort to fast food or processed meals that lack nutrients. This can lead to not only poor health but also a cycle of unhealthy eating habits that can be difficult to break. A lack of time often results in a lack of planning, which is key to making healthy meals at home. This problem affects not just physical health but also mental well-being. Constantly eating unhealthy meals can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and even impact your mood. I want you to remember that it's possible to prioritize your health without spending hours in the kitchen. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a busy mom who used to rely on frozen dinners. After discovering quick meal prep techniques, she now enjoys homemade meals every night and feels more energized. And then there's Mark, a college student who learned to cook quick meals instead of eating instant noodles. Now, he saves money and eats healthier. So, how can we solve the problem of preparing healthy meals quickly? The solution lies in planning and knowing how to make delicious recipes that are easy to prepare. Today, I'll share 3 recipes that fit the bill perfectly. Step-by-step guide 1. Lemon garlic shrimp and asparagus, a light, flavorful dish that's packed with protein and takes only 15 minutes to prepare. 2. One-pan chicken fajitas, a colorful and zesty meal that cooks in just 25 minutes and is perfect for family dinners. 3. Quinoa and black bean salad, a refreshing and filling option that can be prepared in 30 minutes and makes great leftovers. Why is it important to focus on quick, healthy meals? Research shows that cooking at home leads to better dietary choices and improved health outcomes. By preparing meals yourself, you control the ingredients, portions, and nutritional value. Nutritionists recommend incorporating whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables in your meals. As chef expert's name says, cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be healthy. Simple ingredients can create extraordinary meals. As I walk you through these recipes, I'll share ingredient lists on screen and show you how to prep efficiently. For instance, here's a visual guide on the nutritional benefits of shrimp and asparagus. Now, let's get cooking. For our first recipe, lemon garlic shrimp and asparagus, here are the ingredients you'll need. Next up is our one-pan chicken fajitas. Watch as I show you how to chop the veggies efficiently and season the chicken for maximum flavor. Throughout the video, keep an eye out for on-screen tips to enhance your cooking techniques and save time. One common mistake is not prepping ingredients ahead of time. Take a few minutes each week to chop vegetables or marinate proteins. This can make all the difference on busy nights. Another pitfall is trying to make complex meals. Keep it simple. Focus on flavors rather than intricate techniques. Stay motivated by experimenting with different ingredients and flavors. Try to include a variety of colors in your meals. This not only looks appealing but also ensures you're getting a range of nutrients. I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to cooking healthy meals? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's learn from each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might need some quick meal ideas. Check out my playlists for more cooking tips and recipes. Today, we explored 3 quick and delicious dinner recipes you can make in 30 minutes or less. Remember, with a little planning and the right ingredients, healthy cooking can be quick and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be a chore, it can be a fun and rewarding part of your day. Happy cooking, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. For more detailed recipes and cooking tips, check the links in the description below. I also have a free downloadable guide to meal prep basics. Before you go, click on these links for related videos and subscribe to stay updated on more healthy cooking content. In our next video, we'll explore meal prep strategies for busy weeks ahead, so don't miss it. You'll learn how to batch cook and save time while eating healthy. What other quick meal ideas would you like to see? Let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to include them in future videos.